Today topic is lesson number 12, Introduction of Probability Theory. Probability Theorem. The following are the very important definitions. Number 1, a random experiment. An experiment whose outcomes cannot be predicted in advance or determined in advance is a random experiment. Next definition, trial. Each experiment Each performance of a random experiment is called a trial. Number 3. Sample space. A set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called a sample space and is denoted by capital S. Sample point. Each element of a sample space is called a sample point. Event. An event is a subset of An event is a subset of sample space. Equally likely events. Two or more events are said to be equally likely if each one of them has equal chance of occurrence. Has no equal chance of occurrence. Two or more events are said to be equally likely if each one of them has no equal chance of occurring. Next, mutually exclusive events. Two events, capital A and capital B, are said to be mutually exclusive events if the occurrence of any one of them excludes the occurrence of the other event. Next, probability definition. Let capital A be any event and the number of outcomes of an event or experiment favorable to the occurrence of capital A be M, and let small n be the total number of outcomes which are all equal likely. Then the probability of occurrence denoted by P of A is denoted by P of A is equal to number of favorable outcomes of capital A set A divided by total number of outcomes. M divided by n is answer. Now EX number 12.1, sum number 1. An experiment has the four possible mutually exclusive and exhaustive outcomes capital A, capital B, capital C and D. Check whether the following assignments of the probability are permissible. Number 1. P of A is equal to 0.15, P of B is equal to 0.30, P of C is equal to 0.43 and P of D is equal to 0.12 is given. Let us take P of A, P of B, P of C and P of D. P of S means sum of all the probability, sum of the probabilities. P of S is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C plus P of D. P of A is 0.15, P of B is 0.30, P of C is 0.43, P of D is 0.12. Adding these four terms, we get 1.00. P of S is equal to 1.001. Then, hence the given assignment of probability is permissible. Subdivision number 2. P of S is equal to 0.22. P of B is equal to 0.38. P of C is equal to 0.16. P of D is equal to 0.34. Let P of A, P of B, P of C and P of D. P of S is sum of the probabilities. P of A plus P of B plus P of C plus P of D. P of A is 0.22 plus P of B is 0.38 plus P of C is 0.16 plus P of D is 0.34. Adding these four terms we get 1.00. 1.00 means the given assignment probability is permissible. Next, subdivision number 3. P of A is equal to 2 by 5. P of B is equal to 3 by 5. P of C is equal to 1 by 5. No, minus 1 by 5. P of D is equal to 1 by 5. P of A, P of B, P of C, P of D. Given P of C is negative number, negative fraction. So the assignment of the probability is not permissible. Why? Negative number is given. Next, number 2. Question number 2. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, then find the probability of getting number 1, one head and one tail. Number 2, at most two tails. First, we have to take sample space S. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Therefore, the results are HH, HT, TH, TT. Number of results are 4. Therefore, N of S is 4. Let capital A denotes the event of getting one head and one tail. Capital A is equal to one head, one tail is HT and TH. So, N of A is 2. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. Next, capital B denotes the event of getting at most two heads. At most two heads. So, PB is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. N of B is equal to 4. But probability of getting at most two heads, P of B, is equal to N of B divided by N of S. N of B is 4, N of S is 4. 4, 5, 4 is 1. Question number 3. 5 mangoes and 4 apples are to be a box or in a box. If 2 fruits are chosen at random, find two probability that number 1 is a mango and other is an apple. Number 2, both of them are the same variety. Sample space S equal to total number of fruits 9. Why 5 mangoes and 4 apples? Since the 2 fruits are taken from the total number of boxes, therefore total number of boxes is 9. So 2 fruits are taken from 9. N of S is 9C2. We know that 9C2 means 9 NCR. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Using the formula we have 9C2 is 9 into 8 divided by 1 into 2. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36. Okay. Let the capital A denotes the event of getting one mango and one apple. One mango and one apple. N of A is equal to total number of mangoes 5. So 5C1. We select 1. Number of apples 4. We select 1. Therefore 4C1. Probability of selection is equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A is 20. N of S is 36. So 5 4s are 20. 9 4s are 36. 4 4 cancelled. We get 5 by 9 is answer. Solution number 2. Let capital B denotes the event of getting 2 fruits from the same variety. N of B is equal to, first we have to take an apple 5. Mango. First we have to take mangoes. 5 mango, select 2 from 5. 4 apple, select 2, so 4C2. 5C2 means 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. Plus 4C2 means 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. 5C2 is 10. 4C2 is 6. Adding these two, we have 16. P of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S is equal to 16 divided by 36. 16 can be written in the form of 4 4s are 16. 36 means 9 4s are 16. Cancelling these two 4s, we have 4. What is the chance that number 1 non-leap year, number 2 leap year should have take 53 Sundays? First we have to take a non-leap year. Non-leap year contains 365 days. How many weeks? 52 weeks plus 2. Why? Divide 365 by 7. We have to get The quotient is 52, therefore 52 weeks. Remainder is 1, therefore 1 day. So 52 weeks plus 1 day contains non-leap year. Okay. So 1 Sunday selected from the following ways: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So only one Sunday. So the selection is 1 divided by total number of days 7 in a week. Therefore 1 divided by 7 is answer. Next, a leap year contains 366 days. 360 days can be written in the form of 52 weeks plus 2 days. 2 days can be selected from the following ways: Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday. These two. The probability that a leap year contains 53 Sundays is equal to 2 divided by 7. Sum number 5. 8 coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting number 1 exactly 2 tails, number 2 at least 2 tails, number 3 at most 2 tails. Given 8 coins are tossed. The result is 2 to the power of 6 is 8 is answer, 8 coins. Therefore 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 means 2 into 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 2. 8 times. So product gives 2, 5, 6. Number 1. Let capital A denotes the event of getting exactly 2 heads. N of S equal to 8C2. 8C2 means 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2. The event of getting exactly 2 tails. N of S equal to 8C2. 8C2 means 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 is equal to 28. P of S equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A is 28. N of S is 256. Cancelling these two, we get 7 divided by 60. Let capital B denotes the event of getting at least 2 tails. N of B is equal to at least 2 tails means 8C2 plus 8C3 plus 8C4 plus 8C5 plus 8C6 plus 8C7 plus 8C. At least 2. So minimum is 8C2. Now expanding these 7 terms, we have 247. P of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S. N of B is 247. P of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S. 247 divided by 256 is answer. Next, solution number 3. Let us say denotes the event of getting at most 2 tails. N of C is equal to 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2. 8C0 is, using the formula we get answer 1. 8C1 is 8 by 1. 8C2 means 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2. Cancelling these two, we get 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. Divided by N of S. So 37 divided by 256 is answer. Today homework. 3 coins are tossed together. Find the probability that either only 2 heads or only 2 tails. Only 2 heads or only 2 tails. Turn up. Question number 2. A 2-digit number is chosen from 1 to 100. Find the probability that it is either greater than 30 or less than 16. These two problems are homework problems. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.